Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to take screenshot in Udemy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now this is our Udemy interface and we are just going to click My Learning at the upper right hand corner of our interface. And we are just going to choose the course that we want to take a screenshot. So for us to be able to take a screenshot on this specific course or in this specific video, so we're just going to go ahead and press the keys Windows Shift S, and then we are just going to drag this one. So as you can see, this will pop out and you're just going to click that there. So once you're okay with that, you can also adjust this by cropping the picture. Once you're good to go, then you're just going to click save here at the upper right hand corner. So just click that and select the folder that you want to save it to. So we're going to check if it's saved. Okay. And there you go. That's how you're going to take a screenshot in Udemy. Now, in some cases, this won't work. So if this doesn't work, then you have another option. So you're just going to go ahead to Google Chrome, or you can use the Microsoft Edge. And you're just going to click the three dots here at the upper right hand corner. And then you're just going to click on Settings. And you are going to search for acceleration here. And then you're just going to disable this button here. And then click Relaunch. And now you will be able to take a screenshot in Udemy. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!